compassion, O Lord, and your love are from of old. In your kindness remember me, because of your goodness, O Lord. Your ways, O Lord, are love and truth to those who keep your covenant. Good and upright is the Lord, thus He shows sinners the way.